Now let's talk about the whiteboard. It has a 35 milliseconds writing latency. As you see, you won't feel like there's any delay between the strokes that are made and their appearance on the screen. And if I switch to a calligraphic writing style here, the pen also responds to the speed that I write. So if I draw a very slow stroke, the line is thicker, and if I draw faster, the line is thinner. Clicking on one of these buttons to change the brush color, and I'm going to color the sun red. And then we can choose any part of it, like this. I can zoom in, or I can zoom out the content without losing any resolution, and I can put it anywhere. I can also erase it simply by using my hands. IdeaHub also allows local and remote co-author whiteboard collaboration. After locking the page, two people can draw together on the same screen, like this. Now we are going to add a new page. In addition, IdeaHub has intelligent handwriting recognition. Handwritten characters can be automatically converted to printed forms. You just press this button, and as you see, my writings instantly transforms into print, which is easy for anyone to read. What's more, geometric figures can also be recognized. For example, drawing a circle, a triangle, or a chart can also be displayed in an optimized format. You can take away the meeting minutes by saving it locally, or you can mail it as a PDF to any participants.